In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Friends, look at the love between a mother and her children. Just like a human being, an animal also has the same love. Just like a human being loves his children, an animal also loves his children. So, today's video is about a mother and her children. A mother is feeding her children. Look, this is an animal, a small cat. She is feeding her children. You may not have seen this in your life. She is combing her children's hair with her tongue. And she is making them beautiful. Some children are drinking milk. And some are playing with their mother. And the mother is taking them in her lap and combing their hair with her tongue. And may the shadow of the mother always be safe, whether it is an animal or a human being. After all, a mother is a mother. And the rank of a mother is the highest.